Peppa and George bake cookies. Welcome to Dear Little Hearts, where every story brings a smile to your heart. Today's story is about something warm, sweet, and full of love. Peppa and George bake cookies. It was a cozy Sunday morning at Peppa's house. The sky was bright, and the smell of fresh flowers drifted through the window. Peppa, Mommy Pig, can we bake something yummy today? Mommy Pig, that's a wonderful idea. Peppa, how about cookies? George clapped. Cookies, yum yum. Peppa and George washed their hands and put on their little aprons. Mommy Pig placed all the ingredients on the table: flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. Peppa giggled. Let's make them extra chocolatey. Mommy Pig, all right. But remember, teamwork makes everything tastier. Peppa measured the flour carefully while George stirred the bowl. But oh dear, George sneezed. Achoo! The flour puffed up everywhere like a white cloud. Peppa laughed. Now the kitchen looks snowy. Daddy Pig walked in, covered in flour. It smells delicious already. After cleaning up, Peppa shaped her cookies into stars and hearts, and George made funny dinosaur-shaped ones. The oven timer dinged, and soon the whole house smelled like chocolatey goodness. When the cookies cooled, Peppa placed them neatly on a plate and said, "Let's share them with our friends." So, they invited Susie Sheep, Rebecca Rabbit, and Pedro Pony for a tea time cookie party. Everyone loved the cookies. Susie, these are the best cookies ever. Peppa, George smiled proudly. Dino cookies. That evening, Peppa gave one last cookie to Mommy and Daddy Pig. Peppa, thank you for helping us bake. Daddy Pig, you made more than cookies today. Peppa, you made happy memories. Morals of the story: working together makes any task more fun and successful. Thank you for watching Dear Little Hearts, where tiny tales warm big hearts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more magical Peppa stories.